Here's how to make your Facebook friend list completely private. So first, go ahead and launch your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Then after, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings from the drop-down menu. From here, you need to scroll down and go to the option of Audience and Visibility. After that, tap on the option of how people can find and contact you, that is between profile details and post. Once you select it, you'll get the option of who can see your friend list that is below the section of your friends. Go ahead and select it. Now select only me option and then tap on save from the bottom, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. Now your friend list is completely private and no one will be able to view it except you. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.